Anti-theft remote kill switch coming soon to all smartphones. Google, Nokia, Samsung, HTC and Motorola, among other large phone makers, have agreed to introduce a built-in anti-theft feature in the phones that will allow users to remotely wipe data and lock a stolen device. The feature is expected to be introduced in all smartphones after July 2015 thanks to increased pressure from American politicians. If users do manage to reclaim the lost devices, then the feature will allow them to restore data that has been wiped out. However, as per the discussions between the companies, the proposed feature will be opt-in, which means that users will have to actively go into their phone settings and turn it on. This could mean that users who don't have knowledge of the feature will still not turn it on and may choose not to if the feature is hidden behind scores of menus and sub-menus. Android users can currently already remotely lock and wipe data from a stolen device by turning on Android Device Manager in their phone's settings. Apple also introduced the Activation Lock feature in iOS 7 that offers similar abilities. We're not sure how the proposed feature will differ from the existing options, but if it means that the security options take center stage due to the proposal, then we're all for it. Thank you and please subscribe our channel.